On Friday, Canada announced that it is in the process of finalizing contracts for a number of commercial pattern armored vehicles that will be sent to Ukraine as soon as possible. In a statement, the federal government said it's also finalizing a service contract for the maintenance and repair of specialized drone cameras that Canada has already shipped to Ukraine. Canada sent M777 Howitzers and ammunition to Ukraine, fulfilling its pledge to send heavy artillery to the embattled country. According to the government, the M777 lightweight 155mm towed howitzer is lighter and smaller, yet more powerful than any gun of its kind. The M777 provides indirect firepower capable of accurately hitting targets at a range of up to 30 kilometers. The decision has been lauded by the Ukrainian-Canadian Congress. In a statement Friday, Alexandra Chichij, national president of the Ukrainian-Canadian Congress, said, "The UCC welcomes the provision of additional lethal aid to Ukraine by Canada. The horrors Russia is inflicting, the deliberate systemic crimes against humanity that Russia is committing at Mariupol, Bucha, Chernihiv, Kharkiv, and countless other places, show that Russia is committing genocide and trying to annihilate the Ukrainian people," she added. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky on Friday said allies were finally delivering the weapons that Kyiv had asked for, adding the arms would help save the lives of thousands of people. Since January 2022, Canada has committed over $118 million in military equipment to support Ukraine. In budget 2022, Canada also allocated $500 million in additional military aid for Ukraine for the 2022-23 fiscal year. However, earlier on Friday, Fiancé Minister Chrystia Freeland didn't provide more details of how the $500 million pledged in her April 7 budget would be spent.
Go ahead, boys. He knows where they want. Talk to it. Hold him at this!